Okay, so we're talking about culture and about our team and how do we have a high performing team environment. I work with a lot of practices on operations and efficiency and revenue cycle. And 9 times out of 10, we're not just focusing on the actual operations. There's the drama, there's the interpersonal conflicts and things that we have to work through. And even though is the most exhausting part of managing a practice and running a business, it's very real and it affects everyone's happiness and from the doctors to the staff. It's very palpable when we have a culture that's full of conflict. And so how do we build a rich culture, one that staff want to be a part of, where the doctors can actually take care of patients and focus on that and not be worried about, what's going on or who called in or who's upset with who. And it really starts with hiring. So we're going to talk a little bit at the beginning of the session about how do you hire the right people, because so often I think we hire out of desperation, right? We have somebody left, we have a gap. Oh my gosh, we just need somebody in here to answer the phones, or we need somebody in here to room patients. And so we hire quickly based on very limited review of their resume. They're a warm breathing person that sure, she can do the job, let's get her in here. And then later we find out that maybe that person wasn't quite the best fit. And then as we all know, the undoing of that is much, much more difficult. So want to slow down the process just a little bit on the front end to be sure that we're getting the right person.